In the meanwhile, explanation. So, Bove Valley, we said it's one of the biggest volcanical depression we have in Europe, alright? This is the shape of it. Looks like an amphitheater. 8 kilometers per 5 kilometers is the size. And to explain this, I have to tell you what is the purpose of this and how the valley formed itself. Allora, the purpose is very easy because on your left you have the top of the mountain. We said that today 3 craters on the top. But normally when we have the lava flow coming out of it, the lava doesn't flow in every direction. The lava behaves like a liquid. So going down, follow the morphologies the volcano have already done, like a river, okay? Why I'm telling you this? Coming down the lava, almost 90% of the time, take this direction, southeast. No. This is southeast, alright? So, coming down the lava, encounter Bove Valley, stay concentrated in here, and all of the little towns you see on the southeast face here down, they are protected by the valley. All of these towns here. This is like a tank for lavas, alright? If the valley was not here, the lava from the top to the ocean, all of the times, alright? And then how the valley formed itself, which is very interesting, but you have to follow me with a little bit of your imagination, alright? So this is the shape of it. 25,000 years ago, not yesterday, the valley was not here. Instead of the valley, you had here in front of you a volcano, like this, alright? This volcano was called the Clover, Trifoglietto in Italian. Up, 1,200 meters more tall than the mountain today, and then collapsed to his own weight, exposing to you now the inside of the structure, the belly of the volcano. This is why it's so big, this, because this was the inside of it. You see this mountain here in front of us? They do like this, okay? Imagine that we are in a, it's like a mirror in the middle, and now we are standing in a mountain like the one in front of us. Because all of this mountain, and now we are standing on top of one of this here, these are the old faces of this volcanical structure still standing. So you can imagine even the size of this. This was huge, like this. Okay? 25,000 years ago. The volcano is 500,000 years old. Pretty young for a volcano. This is why it's so active.